Yo, bro, you've been doing this for like, what, 6 years?
Doing what?
Like YouTube.
Yeah.
Who you think has improved the most as far as sneakers, you know, as far as the brands go?
I don't know, man. There's so many options to choose from.
Well, I'm gonna say it. Puma has been the most innovative. I mean, tell me I'm
I
lying.
mean, you ain't lying, bro. There's quality, there's affordability. Those are really the most important ones.
Matter of fact, you got a package right now.
Oh, word?
Allow me to introduce myself. Who knows what dastardly crime he might perpetrate next?
He's a very clever arch criminal who must be put away. Another innocent victim of the suicidal maniac.
What's going on, Sneak Geeks? Welcome back to another video, man. As you can see, another fire unboxing, bro. Like, first off, hold up. Hope you're feeling good. Yeah, man, this is crazy. So Foot Locker and Puma went ahead and sent this over. Now, this is the liquid cell optic. First and foremost, man, stop the video, pause the video. Let me know, who do you guys think is the most innovative brand so far? You know, within the last few years, personally, I do feel like Puma is really like killing it. Their team is just, I mean, they're doing their thing, bro. So most importantly, let's just get into this. First, I want to talk about, I had 3 different boxes. You saw the first box that had design on it. Then you got the second box, which is dope. And then you have the actual display, which is just insane. So you have this kind of plexiglass platform. I'll go ahead and pull the shoes out. I don't want anything to fall. And it came with a projector. Can't wait to see what's going on with this because I have no idea, but it does say liquid cell optic projector instructions. So we'll figure that out later, but let's get straight into the shoes. I should just slide right out. Oh, bruh, that's exactly what I was talking about. I want anything to fall. I want anything to fall. I want anything to fall.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Oh, bruh. We over here breaking stuff, man. Lord, please make sure this ain't broken. Oh, it just turned on itself. Ooh. My eyes! My eyes! Oh, I'm trying not to blind y'all, but look at that. It just goes right on the screen. But again, we'll get to that. Yeah, at least it ain't broken, bro. That's all that matters. Sonic. This is wild. What? They out here sending projectors, guys. They got these bad boys pinned down. So I've done a few videos in the past on these, not specifically this model, but just their liquid cell technology. This is the shoe that I use in the gym all the time. I love it. The liquid cell is just phenomenal. If you guys remember my previous unboxing that I did where I got like the little drone that smacked me in the face, yeah, I got a little mark from that. But yeah, I really love the liquid cell. I'm a huge fan of it, especially in the gym. I've been running in the shoes, lifting in the shoes, haven't had any problems. Perfect ankle support. For me, the biggest thing is like when I'm doing legs, it's kind of scary if you don't have a shoe that's like super supportive and you're lifting heavy weight. You're really gonna cause some damage. This shoe specifically to me is more of a lifestyle look, right? This is something that you're just gonna wear every single day. Now, I understand this color blocking is probably not for everyone because it's super loud. Those hexagons on the front are actually inspired by luxury cars, so that's pretty cool. One thing that I really appreciate on this shoe is just the very subtle Puma logos. You got one right on the front, obviously one on the tongue, and then of course the main Puma right on the tab in the front. Like I said, man, I get it. These are super loud, not for everyone. I can't wait for them to drop other colors. One thing that's been really popular, I would say this year and last year, is just having almost like that translucent outer, you know, that mesh that you can kind of see through. So if you're wearing orange socks, blue socks, whatever socks, you can basically see them and it kind of changes the aesthetic of the shoe. I always love having just loud shoes. I can't see this being like day-to-day wear, you know, just out and about. More so, oh, this is my gym shoe. Okay, I can see it day-to-day. The color blocking is just way too loud. And I'm sure they're gonna drop other colors. I could see more of just like a clear and black color. All white would be super cold. You know I'd be on those. And one thing that I really love about the liquid cell shoes is they always provide you with, let me take this out, this really thick insole. Like the comfort is A1. You guys can see how thick that is. I know for most of you, and including myself, comfort is key, right? I mean, you don't want to spend a lot of money on a shoe that just isn't comfortable. These are sitting at $110, which is a great price point. Let me know what you guys think. Is this something that you want to pick up? Is it a little too loud? Would you like to see other colors? These are definitely what I call lookers. When you're in the gym or just out and about, people will be like, yo, I really like your shoes, brother. And you'd be like, yes, sir, thank you. They're Puma. Color blocking is key. Wearing these, you want maybe some light wash jeans, and then you could really just throw in a shirt within any of the color blocking, if that makes sense. I mean, primarily I would probably wear shorts, but you know, if you really wanted to style these completely, you could. That's the whole lifestyle aspect of it all. Let's figure out what this projector's on. The streets will see you in the Puma's Liquid Cell. Grab your Liquid Cell optic kicks. Show Puma times Foot Locker how you would style them. Set the scene, stunt hard. Ooh, wee, this is actually fire, bro. You go in the alley and just throw this bad boy up. All right, let's see what's going on with this thing. So local storage. Oh, Liquid Cell Flex. Oh, this is dope. This shit in Chinese, what the hell? You gotta follow me on Instagram right now. Later tonight, I'm definitely gonna go like try to find a blank wall. See if we can get some crazy pictures with this thing. Wow, Puma, you did the thing, man. I ain't gonna lie. You really did the thing. These do run true to size in case you guys were wondering, but that's pretty much it for today. If you have picked these up, let me know what you think about them down below. And also if you wanna pick them up, the link will be down below. So that's the Puma Liquid Cell Optic. This is your boy ASneakerLife. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Run it.
Hands in the air now.